Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you have celebrated your Diwali with lots of fun and crackers and lights. So let's start today's video. Let me introduce myself. This is Joita, and if you are new to my channel, then I do make videos related to makeup, fashion, lifestyle and skincare. And if you're interested in this category, then consider subscribing, as I have promised you guys that I'm going to invite some of my subscribers to my channel. I'm going to keep that promise. I have invited one of my subscribers today, and I am going to give her a very beautiful makeover. So stay tuned and keep watching. So guys, this is my guest today, and her name is Otoshi. She got married last year in November, I guess. So say hi to my viewers. Hi. Okay, so right now she's a housewife, and I would really like to know that বাড়িতে কি করিস মানে before that I must tell you guys I know her personally, so please don't take any offense. I'm calling her Tui, obviously because we are from the same school, so that is the thing. So let me tell me that what you do at home, মানে এমনি spare time এ কি করিস?
বাড়িতে নরমালি গান শোনা, টিভি দেখা এইসবই আছে। আর আমি অলরেডি একটা জায়গায় জব করতাম, তো এখন নেক্সট টার্গেট হচ্ছে আমার নেক্সট আরেকটা জব।
কোন ফিল্ডে করেছি?
আমি ছিলাম পিয়ারলেস হসপিটাল ইনফেকশন কন্ট্রোল।
Oh my god, she's a nurse. Anyways, let's do today's makeover. Before starting the makeup, I'll focus the camera just onto her face for you people for understanding. So yeah, I'm going to do that. So I'm starting with the primer, and I'm using the Colorbar silicone primer. I'm taking a little amount onto my fingertips, as she's a very, her skin is very oily, so I'm going to use a silicone based primer, and it will help her to hide the pores. And she really needs a lot of skincare. I'm very sorry about that, but she doesn't take care of her skin at all. Her skin is dehydrated and lots of bumps are there. So now I'm going to use this Elegant Pro Conceal HD Concealer, and this is basically a corrector, and it is in the shade yellow. I'm using this just to hide her under eye dark circles. A lot of dark circles. I'm not using any orange or peach tone corrector just because her makeup is going to quite bright. She got a huge pigmentation over here. Now I'm going to use a normal makeup sponge and will blend it. Now I'll be using a masking tape to get a guideline for her eyes, as I want the sharp edges for her eyes. Her eyelids are already primed with the help of that corrector from Elegant Pro Conceal. Now we are going to set this with this Fit Me Matte Compact Powder, and it is in the shade 310. I'm using kabuki brush. Now I'm going to use this Freedon Pro 12 Stunning Smokes, which I recently bought for myself, and I'm going to use this Focallure Fluffy Blending Brush. I'll be starting off with this shade right here. This palette shades doesn't got any names, So I can tell you that this is a neutral peach color. Now I'll be using this coffee brown shade from this palette, and we'll be using the same brush. Now I'm going to use this dark brown shades and going to use this only in the outer corner portion. And also in the inner corner. I'm leaving the middle portion of the eye. Now I'm going to use Focallure Wonder palette, and I am going to use this shade right here, and I'm going to mix it with this color. Now I'm going to use this rose gold shade right here. It's a foil eyeshadow. So I'm going to use this with my fingertips onto the eyes. Now I'm again using the palette from Freedon, and I'm going to use this black shade right here. Her eyeshadow is done, and now I'm going to use this Maybelline New York's Lasting Drama Gel Eyeliner, and it is in the shade black. So the eye makeup is done, and now I'm going to pull off the, you can definitely see that we have got a sharp edge over here. So both her eyes are done, and now I'm going to use a foundation, and I'm going to use this Lakme 925 Flawless Makeup Foundation, and her shade is Shell, and I'm going to use this liquid highlighter from Makeup Revolution London, and it is in the shade Gold. I'm going to mix these two shades together. Taking one pump of the foundation and one pump of the liquid highlighter, and now I'm going to mix this too. Now I'm going to blend this with my beauty sponge. So her foundation is done, and now I'm going to set her foundation with the help of Maybelline Fit Foundation Matte Poreless Compact, and it is in the shade 310. I'm going to use this flat side from the sponge, and going to use this. It is going to mattening the foundation and will give it a more coverage. Now I'm going to use this Maybelline New York's Fit Concealer, and it is in the shade 25, and I'm going to use this the usual areas on the under eyes. I'm going to highlight some portions of her face. Now I'm going to use my Sigma Kabuki brush to blend it out. Now I'm going to use the Colorbar loose powder to set her under eyes and the highlighted area. I'm using a wet sponge. Now I'm going to use this Revolution Ultra Sculpt and Contour Kit, and this is for the darkest medium, and I'm going to use this contour shade, and I'm going to use my kabuki brush. Now I'm going to brush off the excess loose powder. Look up. I'm using this L'Oreal Brow Beauties brow pomade, and it is in the shade Ebony, and I'm going to draw her eyebrows. Eyebrows are done, and now I'm going to use this blush from Freedon, and the shade of this blush is red. This blush is quite pinky and peachy. I quite like this tone. This is ideal for the Indian skin tone. Now I'm going to use this Freedon Pro Kohl eyeliner, and it is in the shade Brazen Black, and I'm going to line her lower lash line. I'm using this for the first time, guys, and she's gliding so smooth. Now I'm going to use this Wonder palette and this shade right here to smooth the lower lash line. Now I'm going to use this foil shade. This is a golden shade, and I'm going to use this brush from Focallure. Now I'm going to use the mascara to define her eyelashes, and this is from Wet n Wild Max Fanatic Cat Eye Mascara, and it is in the shade Black. Now I'll be using this highlighter from Makeup Revolution, as if you are my viewer then you know this, that this is quite like my favorite highlighter. It gives that glow of the life. I just love it. This glow is perfect for the Indian skin tone. This is the lipstick over here. I'm going to use it, and this is the L'Oreal Star collection, and it is in the shade Pure Amaranthe. I just love this shade. This shade is a wine and a fuchsia mixed shade. I'm going to use this with a lip brush today. Is done, guys, and now I'm going to put a bindi, and this bindi is completely matched to her sari color. And now I'm going to put the earrings onto her ears. This is a complete Bengali and a party makeup tutorial. As I told you that this is so the makeup is done, and as you can see that I have already done her hair. I have put this in a bun and put a beautiful hair gajra to her hair. She is wearing a beautiful golden necklace which is compatible, or you can say which is matched to her sari, as she is wearing a Banarasi sari. So she is ready, guys, and now I'm going to use a fixing spray, and this spray is from Nyx. This is the Nyx Matte Fini Matte Mixing Spray. Close your eyes, and I'm going to use this onto her face, and this will help her makeup stay on long. So this is the makeup. and now I really want to know from her that how she is feeling, কেমন লাগছে. So কেমন লাগছে after the makeover? ভীষণ ভালো লাগছে. Are you nervous?
Oh no.
But I'm thinking that she's a bit nervous as she's like sitting on screen. So yeah, it happens. I know it also happened with me when I just started my channel, as I told you guys. And তোর কি মনে হয় যে তোর হাজবেন্ড যখন দেখবে ভিডিওটা কেমন লাগে তোর হাজবেন্ড?
ভীষণ ভালো লাগবে.
কি কমপ্লিমেন্ট দেবে বলে তুই ফিল করছিস?
Gorgeous wife.
Gorgeous wife. Oh, that's a romantic. যাই হোক, আমার হাজবেন্ড তো কখনো আমাকে gorgeous wife কখনোই বলে না, সবসময় বলে আমাকে পেতনির মতো দেখতে. যাকে it's a jokes apart. So আর তুই কি মনে করিস অ্যাজ আ ভিউয়ার আমার চ্যানেলটা কেন দেখা উচিত? তুই কেন সাবস্ক্রাইব করেছিস আমার চ্যানেল?
Obviously for makeup tricks and tips. ইজিলি এখান থেকে আমরা শিখতে পারবো. আর অ্যাজ এ পুরনো স্কুল ফ্রেন্ড বা তুমি আমার দিদি হিসেবে তুমি আমার সবচেয়ে কাছের লোক, তো আমার শিখতে আরও সুবিধে হবে, আমার ভুলগুলো চট করে বলতে পারবো. তো সেই কারণে, আর তুমি এমনি শুধু আমার সাথে না, সমস্ত ভিউয়ার্স বা সবার কাছেই খুব ভালো ফ্রেন্ডলি ইন নেচার. তো আমার মনে হয় সবাই এই কারণেই তোমাকে বেশি পছন্দ করবে.
আচ্ছা, সো তোমরা শুনেই নিয়েছো, অ্যাজ ইউ হিয়ার ইট ফ্রম হার ভয়েস অনলি, দ্যাট I'm a friendly person indeed. I agree that. So yeah, and I want to tell you guys, when I do makeover on some person, I feel like awesome, because makeup is a satisfaction from my side. I just love to do makeup on myself and as on others. So yeah, it's a big satisfaction. So yeah, and if you like this video guys, so give your thumbs up and do share my videos with your friends, family, relatives, colleagues, whoever you know. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more and more in upcoming interesting videos. So yeah, do subscribe and share to my channel, and what, take care, love you, bye bye.